All right, everyone, before we're heading back with the manual Panamera, let's check out the newest addition to the Porsche Center Gelderland, the Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur Center. This could now be very well the best Porsche Center ever made. And yeah, let's head inside and speak with the man himself, the owner from Porsche Center Gelderland, Wegh. And there he is, Mr. Wegh, next to your newest exclusive car, right?
Yes.
That is your newest acquisition.
Yes, the newest, we opened at end of September 2025, and it's the newest thing what we have here in Porsche, by Porsche Centrum Gelderland, what we do with the brand Porsche. After 10 years ago, the first Porsche Classic Center in the world.
Now you do
the first exclusive center in the world.
Exclusive Manufaktur Center. Yeah. And it looks absolutely wonderful. The design is bespoke. It's never been anywhere done in the world so far, right?
No. This is the very first. It's complete destination Porsche, look and feel. But the program of what we do here, the exclusive Manufaktur, is not been done somewhere. Thus we are the very first. Thus we made together with Porsche the ID. And at the end, you see here what is coming out of that.
So let's walk me through it a bit. So we have a couple of cars on display, some of which I already know, especially that wonderful Sport Classic.
These are really cars with a lot of exclusive options. At the end, you need to show what exclusive is and can do. When you only can show it on a picture or on the screen, it's not really then you can tell the client what it is. And when you see it here in real life, the client is easy to decide that he wants it.
So first of all, we have a Targa Heritage Design Edition. Yeah. I think that was from 2020, right? 2021?
2022.
2022?
Yes.
Oh, it's a lot younger than I imagine. So
this is also in a very special combination, different than normally, and that is also the game of exclusive, do different. At the end, a lot of people want a car different than the neighbor or their friends, and they want to make a car very special. And what we do here on our exclusive center Manufaktur, we make it very special, like paint to sample. You see the wall with every color you can imagine.
That looks just stunning.
And you can see here, you can choose what you want. A very special option we have here in exclusive.
The glove box in Pepita, which is crazy, and I don't think you can spec that in the configurator.
No,
right?
no, and that's the special things what we do here. The same as cross-stitching, Pepita in the glove box, but a lot of things is not available in the car configurator, and you can do it also at the factory, but at Sonderwunsch exclusive Manufaktur.
Yeah, that's what the biggest thing is right now at Porsche.
Yes,
doing your own bespoke car with a lot of catalogs, a lot of samples, and you have here a lot of samples. I see leather, I see paint colors, I see stitching, and some interior trim. And all these colors are available through the paint to sample
original
program, right?
Porsche colors.
All original Porsche colors.
Yes.
So, and that one is also special, right?
Yes, it's a very special color. Also paint to sample, and also this is not a color you can choose when you don't see it. And when you see the color on a car, then you think that's crazy, that's amazing, and then you want to have it on your own car.
So what kind of customers are you interested in, or what kind of customers are coming here to spec their cars?
We have, of course, a lot of customers at all, and at the end there are a lot of customers want to have more, something special, and then we go with that clients to this other building, and we let show them what's possible and what we can do with their 911 or their Boxster or their other car.
In the background I already see the workshop. So the cars, we spec it here. They get built in Germany?
Yeah, at the factory, original by Porsche at the factory.
That's wonderful. But only new cars. If I have an old car and want to work on it, then I go to the classic center.
Yes, and what we do there, you can, when you have a Carrera GT, for example, you can choose another color, we choose another interior, or another suspension, and we can do that also for you.
That is crazy. So you started not so long ago. I think it's like 2015, right, where you started?
No, 2006 we started as Porsche Gelderland. In 2015 we were the first Porsche Classic Center in the world, and in 2025 the first Exclusive Manufaktur Center in the world.
That is crazy. So you expect some more exclusive Manufaktur centers to pop up in the world?
At the end, everybody can do it. Only you must do it like this, and it must be an experience center.
Yeah. So what gave you the inspiration? How came the idea to tuition?
I like to do something special with Porsche, you know. And we try everything, every time to do something different than the other 900 dealers in the world.
Yeah, that is the reason I am here with my Panamera in the Classic Center, because it is a lot different to other Porsche centers, and it's really like you feel the passion from everyone involved, and the service is like above everything else. So even if there are problems, which you have now with my Panamera, no, the truck is coming, Michael, don't worry, we pick up the car and now it's done. Yes. Problem solved, no issues at all. So that is really cool. And here with the Exclusive Center, is it only for Dutch customers, or can anyone come here to get inspired, or how
everybody
does it work?
Can come and inspire, of course, because we have a real experience center also with our Classic Center, with our normal dealership. At the end you can see a lot, you can feel a lot, and come and show. And if you don't buy, it's no problem. You can do also look and see and order with your own dealer.
Because when the communication came out that you opened this place here, I already got some messages from the US. Hey, you know Porsche Gelderland, is it possible to go here? Can we actually order a car there? I was like, maybe not, I don't know. But so everyone can come here, because I don't think there is anything like it anywhere.
No, nobody has this like this. And of course, it is the very first. And we do it all already Champions League, dus really good and not half.
Yeah, that's Champions League is a fitting description from the soccer league. Yeah, of course. And then all the way back, we have also another special car, a 911 ST. I see there.
Yes, in a paint to sample Alex Gray. But the nicest story of this car is Alex Gray is in Dutch color.
Ah, yeah, sure. Yeah, yes, with the Targa.
Yes, they make in 2018 they make 25 Targa Exclusive series in Alex Gray. There was the Alex edition.
Only in the Netherlands.
Only for the Netherlands, and this is the color of that car.
So you actually picked up a Dutch theme as well. For me, the Dutch cars are always Gulf Orange or Gulf Blue, which you have many of, which we saw last year, I think. And also now a pastel orange GT4 RS, which I saw 2 months ago in Leusden, which was crazy.
And the nicest thing is, you know also the story about the 991 GT3 RS.
Yeah.
Was on the IAA in 2015. They called in Germany, they have a special name for it, Kinderüberraschung.
Kinderüberraschung, yeah, like
that was the name at
like
that time?
The chocolate from Kinder.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a little egg where we have toys in chocolate.
Yes.
Which is funnily not available in the US because it's like dangerous for kids to eat the chocolate.
They eat the toy inside. And this car is also completely exclusive. At that time already in 2015, also the factory has the exclusive program already from the 80s. Yeah. But we try to show here also the possibilities, what they have done in the past. You see here complete orange in inside, and also with all the white accents, a very special, unique car.
Also the illuminated door sill, which is crazy.
And also from this model, you have a model in one at 43.
And 118. Yes. Now you have all three. Yeah. Little inside joke between us two. But is it possible, if I have now a 991.1 GT3 RS, to come here to Gelderland and have it worked on? Or is it still a bit
Not
of a
yet.
difficult?
Dus that is not our first thing what we were gonna do. We first do the new cars. We do the special cars like Carrera GT 959, and after that we can decide if we can do this also for an older 991.
Because I feel that will be the biggest thing for Porsche in the next 10 to 15 years, because everyone loves their like 991 gen, 997 gens as well, like the 997 GT2, 997 GT3 RS, and they buy them used. Usually they are in perfect state, but you want to make it your own car. Like I even like have this crazy idea to do it with the manual Panamera at some point.
Yes, your car.
It's funny,
Yeah,
right? And if you have the budget like 200K, there's so much possibility
You can
to
do a lot, and at the end is you must add value to your car. But do you add at that time value to your car? That's the thing. What is the question?
I don't think it's about the values so much. I think it's more like the personal project. People like to it's like a piece of art they designed by themselves, or they even take part in it, like in the factory where these super special projects are, where the people actually have like the little ID card and work on it. So that is, I think, one of the next big things.
But that's also the next thing. We ordered a car like that. Dus we ordered a one-off at Porsche, and I'm having the badge now.
I'm not surprised.
I'm an employee of Porsche as the project leader, and we're gonna make a very, very, very special project about a 911 Turbo S Speedster.
Turbo S Speedster, wow. So when can we expect to see that car?
And that I think it will be in 3-4 years.
3-4 years, wow, that is crazy.
Very unique, very special, and special a one-off.
That is crazy.
I keep you posted.
Yeah, we will come back in 3-4 years then.
No, in the meantime, I give you the update.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for the quick tour. I really, really like it here, and I hope you guys like this as well. If you have interest in it, make sure to reach out to the Porsche Center Gelderland. Yeah, and if you like the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and then we see each other next one. Big thanks to Mark. Till then, Allah.
Okay, thank
Ciao.
you.